So this is my Saab key. As you can see, it's worn out quite a bit. It looks like a dog chewed on it. But I went online and I got a new case for it, and today I'm going to show how to replace the case. So when you receive the item online, it's pretty much just two parts to it, and the key sits in there. In order to take this apart or change the battery, you want to press down this logo right here and the key comes out. So after it comes out, you can see that there is a gap right there. You take the tip of the key, you put it against that, and you twist, and that will pop open the whole key fob. There's your battery if you want to replace your battery, and here is the circuit for the key fob. So all you have to do is next, again, use this and pry it out from the bottom, and all we're doing is just going from one side to another. So all you're doing is just picking it up, putting it in the new casing, inserting it down. Got one step done. Here's the second step. Now removing the battery. Just pick it up, put it in here. And then now just placing this on here. Go. And now I can insert my key into here. And there we go.